In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Instagram suggested posts. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you opened your Instagram, you may just scroll down until you get some suggested posts like that. These posts shown me because I'm interested with a reel from that particular person. So I can tap on that three dots icon, and here I may tap on not interested, and there I got some extra options. I can select don't suggest posts from that account. I can snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. I can undo hiding that post, and I can select more options like don't suggest posts from that person, and these posts made me uncomfortable. I will go back and select snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. So that's how it works. You see how that's simple and easy, and if it was helpful for you, please like and subscribe.